Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your profile on the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we go into settings. Then we scroll down and under public profile settings we tap on our name. And here at the top we find share profile. If you tap on this, then we have a few options. We can either copy the link that leads to our profile, or we can use one of these apps, or we can tap on more to discover more options to share our profile. So yeah, you can edit your profile here, add the bio, add your location, customize a lot of things. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.